Hi, I'm Heike from Genii. I'm here to give you an introduction to the HTC One. I'll guide you through the setup basics and show you how to personalise it to suit your needs. Rugged but refined, the HTC One has a sleek zero gaps design, 4.7-inch screen and built-in amplifiers for superb stereo sound. It's NFC capable too, so you're ready for the world of the mobile wallet. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. Your HTC One comes with an AC charger and USB cable, SIM release pin, headphones and user guides. To get started, release the SIM tray, insert your micro SIM in the tray and reinsert. Now press the power button until the screen comes to life. Once powered up, you'll be taken through the setup wizard. This is easy to follow and takes just a few minutes. Your HTC will default to English, so tap Start. You can choose to complete the setup using Wi-Fi if you have access, or just tap Next. If you're moving from a device that you backed up in the cloud, select the Restore option to continue. For this demonstration, we'll do a setup from scratch, so tap Next. You can set up your HTC from a PC, but we'll skip this step. Now let's add your Google account. Doing so will give you immediate access to the Play Store once setup is complete. Google Plus comes next. We'll tap Not Now to continue. If you regularly download painful apps, you can add your credit card details or just skip this step. Google Backup and Restore options come next. Keep these options ticked and tap the arrow key to continue. Back on the account screen, tap Next to sign into or create a Dropbox account. We'll skip this for now. Tap OK to accept HTC's data collection and privacy statement. Google location options come next. Great for using maps or other location-based applications. We'll keep these ticked for now, but you can easily switch this off in the settings menu, for instance if you're travelling overseas. HTC Backup is next. You can choose to do this daily via Wi-Fi or tap Next. Lastly, name your device and tap Finish. That's your HTC all set up. I'll now explain some of the standard device features to get you started. To lock the display, press the power button on the device briefly. The screen will go dark, which means it's in standby mode. You can do this while on any active screen. To unlock the device, press the power button and swipe across the screen. This will display the main home screen. You can quickly access your camera and other handy apps directly from the lock screen by swiping away from these icons instead. To adjust ringer volume, press the volume up or down button. Scrolling all the way down puts your HTC into vibrate mode. For extra security, we recommend that you create a passcode lock. It needs to be one you can easily remember, but not something people can easily guess. Tap the app icon at the bottom of the home screen, then tap Settings, then Security and Screen Lock. Select the lock option you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. To return to the home screen at any time, tap the Home button. To select an icon or choose an option on the screen, just tap on it. To go back a step at any point, just tap the Back button. Your HTC has a number of home screens for the display of apps and widgets. To navigate between these screens, swipe your fingers from side to side. The scroll bar shows what screen you're in. The notification bar at the top of the screen alerts you to all of the latest happenings on your HTC, like receiving voicemail, appointment reminders, emails and software updates. To view notifications, swipe your finger down the screen. Tap on the description and it will take you to a screen telling you more. Pressing the back button takes you to the home screen again. If you want to delete all remaining notifications, just tap Close. Next, we'll take a quick look at personalising the screens. Your HTC allows you to customise many things like wallpaper, font size and icon placement. Your HTC comes preloaded with clever widgets like the weather. You can find more by long pressing on a clear screen, then switch from apps to widgets. Browse the options, then long press on your choice and drag to the home screen. To add an app to the home screen, long press on a clear screen again and switch back to apps. Browse the options and long press on your chosen app. You can move it anywhere on the screen by long pressing and then releasing your finger when it's in the spot you want. To remove an app icon or widget, long press again, then drag up to delete. To add extra screens, long press on a clear spot and tap Add Panel. The Play Store is where you'll find a wealth of applications to increase productivity or enhance your free time. Here you can find an app for almost anything, from social and business networking through to life planning and navigation. Just tap on the Play Store icon on the home screen. Browse the categories or type the app you're after into the search bar. Tap on your chosen app for more information and to download. If you plan to take your HTC overseas, it's a good idea to download the Telecom Roaming app. It's a great free tool that helps you manage data costs while you're overseas. You can even put a data smart cap in place so that when you reach your chosen spend limit, data usage will stop. Free alerts will tell you how your usage is going too. Tap Install, then Accept and Download. Now launch the Telecom Roaming app from the home screen. Agree to the terms, then tap the dots for more info. Now tap Data Smart Caps to set a limit on data roaming spend. Tap the link. You may have to accept Google Chrome's terms of use to continue. Then tap Change to adjust your threshold. Next, we'll look at email. We added Google Mail during setup, but now's the time to add in other accounts like corporate email. Before you set up Exchange email, you will need the relevant information from your mail server administrator. Exchange settings vary from company to company, so if you have any trouble with this next step, please speak with your mail server administrator. Tap the app icon on the home screen, then tap Settings, then Accounts and Sync. Now tap the plus sign and then Exchange Active Sync. Enter your work email address and password, then tap Next. Now add your Exchange server settings. There are a number of fields available, but you only need to enter the information your mail server administrator has provided, and tap Next. You can browse mail settings or just tap Next to continue. Lastly, name your account and tap Finish Setup. Bluetooth offers you wireless connectivity over short distances from your HTC. This can be up to 10 meters and you can use it to link devices like car kits and headsets. From the home screen, tap the app icon, then Settings, then Bluetooth and swipe to turn it on. Tap to make your HTC discoverable to other devices for 2 minutes. Scroll down the list of scanned devices until you see the Bluetooth device you wish to pair with and tap on it. Check that the passkey matches and accept the pairing request on both devices. Bluetooth devices vary, so you may need to follow specific instructions to pair. Your HTC has some great features you'll no doubt discover soon, like Blink Feed and Zoe Capture, but did you know you can turn it into a Wi-Fi hotspot too? When you're out and about with another wireless device, like a laptop or tablet, you can use the data connection on your HTC to connect other wireless devices. From the home screen, tap the app icon, then Settings, then More, and Mobile Network Sharing. Now tap Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot Settings. Follow the setup steps as required, then tick to turn your Wi-Fi hotspot on and off. On your laptop or tablet, turn Wi-Fi on. Select the network name, then enter the password as shown on your HTC. The last feature we'll cover off is power management. We'll give you some quick tips to extend the life of your battery so you can stay connected for longer. Add the Power Dashboard widget to your home screen so you can quickly turn services down or off to save power. You'll find an airplane mode widget here too. Swiping down from the status bar reveals a power saver tool. Turning this on lets you control settings like your data connection, which can be switched off when your HTC is in sleep mode. You're now on your way to discovering even more on your HTC One. Have a look through the menus and explore the applications to get this great smartphone doing the things you need it to. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.